JotForm autoresponders are automated email systems that send immediate responses to users after they submit your forms. These autoresponders serve four essential purposes in modern business communication and workflow automation. As of 2025, JotForm has significantly enhanced its autoresponder capabilities with advanced features and improved functionality. JotForm autoresponders are available across all paid plans, with the starter plan beginning at $39 per month. The key components of JotForm autoresponders include customizable email templates with dynamic field insertion, allowing you to personalize each response. Autoresponders also support file attachments up to 10 megabytes and offer flexible timing options, including immediate, delayed, and conditional delivery. Here's how conditional logic works in practice. You can create sophisticated workflows that respond differently based on user inputs and form responses. Creating effective autoresponder emails starts with choosing the right template. JotForm offers over 100 pre-designed templates for different purposes, like thank you confirmations, welcome messages, and appointment confirmations. These templates can be fully customized with HTML formatting, dynamic field insertion using curly bracket syntax, and your brand colors and logo for consistent messaging. Autoresponder emails can include file attachments like PDFs, images, and documents. Keep attachments under 5 megabytes for optimal deliverability and use descriptive file names. Timing is crucial for autoresponder success. Immediate delivery works best for confirmations, while delayed responses can be scheduled for specific times or triggered by user behavior. Personalization is key in 2025, with 73% of businesses using form data to customize email content. Use dynamic fields to insert names, responses, and relevant information for each recipient. Compliance is essential for autoresponder emails. Always include unsubscribe links, link to your privacy policy, and document user consent. This ensures GDPR and other privacy regulation compliance.